Good morning and warm greetings from my inner voices. Our friends, once again, young friend Chintan Raj is with us.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah. First, we have to know how to learn life skill. I was telling about why life skill, the importance of life skill, and so on. Now, to learn life skill, we need to have three major steps.
Okay.
One, learning the life skill. Two, reaching or achieving the life skill.
Okay.
The third one is how to achieve it. Let us go one by one. The first one is learning the life skill. What is this learning the life skill? Here you have certain steps. First and foremost thing is that you have to know, learn to learn. Opening of the mind is learning your own self to learn.
Okay.
Willingness to learn is learning yourself. Learning to learn is just a mind setting to learn or to do something to learn. This is first thing. It may be complicated, and I know, but if you properly think about it, it is very easy.
Okay. Now,
Open your mind for everything. How are you going to learn this? Through observation. Observation, see, I can just quote my own example. When I was in 20s, I wanted to just to know so many things. And say, if I wanted to know what I have to do, nobody will teach me, I know very well. I used to observe the thing.
okay.
Through observation, I learned so many things. Joining the people, being with the people, observing their behavior, their talk, their intensive ideas, and also their intention, their emotions, I used to observe. And whatever is the right, I used to adopt.
Okay.
See, even with the students, there are so many students I've seen,
Great.
but I can tell at least few students have become a teacher to me. I learned from them so many of the things.
Yes, sir. Any experiences of such, ma'am, to share with us?
I should get it back now, the long, but overall I learned a lot.
Okay.
And specific incidences, if you want to ask me, I have to search for it. But my mind setting is that I've learned a lot from my students.
Yes, ma'am.
See, being enthusiastic is one of the values of human being.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
young and energetic behavior is another value. And always laughing, taking the things easily, it is also learning. Yes, all these are all the things. I always talk with the heart, not with the just a mind.
Yes, ma'am. That I can make out, ma'am. So enthusiastic you are.
Yeah,
Always
even
taking
at this
things in a
age,
positive.
I am finding it somewhat uneasy also. I can reach your mind.
True, ma'am.
Because
You have reached us.
that is how my mind is to learn, always to learn.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, willing, it is open, and it is always tells me, or it gives me the command, yeah, right, like, take, like and take. So if I find it something very interesting, I take it.
Yes.
So my age may not be accepting because physical weakness is also there, but I can manage. I can travel, I can beat to the students, I can just be competitive with the students. One example I can just give. When I was in the NSS camp I was conducting, and some of the students, they have come from very high family. That means they are not used to do any hard work. Shramadana is very common. Putting service, Shrama, yes, and they have to do. And one of the student, of course, we have to pump,
Water.
hand pump, water pump. That say I've assigned the work to a few students. You have to water this.
To
You
fill
have to
water.
fill the water.
Okay.
And one of the students was grumbling, why we have to do all this? Why should we come? We have come just like that to spend our time. So I don't. So then I decided, see, if you are not doing, I will do. So I just shown them almost 50 buckets of water. I was pumping. They were in tears. Ma'am, please leave, please leave. We will do, we will do. They learned. They learned through the observation.
Very true, ma'am.
This is learn to learn. Yes. And the next is, and also learn to create knowledge. Knowledge is not only in the textbook, I already told.
Yes.
There are so many ways. You talk with the people, yes,
Yes.
and explore, traveling. You just, I love to
So,
travel.
Yes, ma'am. I know you have traveled almost more than 5 countries, I believe.
No,
ma'am.
15 countries
15
I've
countries,
traveled.
I'm sorry. Yes.
Yes, I observe. I
Yes.
observe, I learn, I connect. So this is one of the ways to accumulate the knowledge. The next is, whatever the thing that I learned, I'll try to put it in practice.
Ma'am. Okay.
See, it is my way to take all the good things from the persons and try to put it in practice. See, again, giving the example, it takes very long time. But according to Lord Krishna, do what you learned. That I am doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. So you are learning every time and you love learning.
I
that
love to
thing.
learn.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You can make out that.
I opened my mind to learn. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And also to know what is. See, many times knowing the things and just keeping yourself is not the thing, but try to know the things. It is again learning to learn. Yes.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
whatever you were asking the question,
No,
please
ma'am.
ask.
I got a clarity that with a simplicity and with having smile in us, accepting things and started learning to learn new things will simplify our entire life itself. What I learned from you now, ma'am.
Oh,
Thank you.
like that. Not always. You can learn from me. Would have learned from
Yes, ma'am.
others also. And this is whatever you know, you try to improve. See, many times I started accepting the technology. In the beginning, I was just doing some typing work, this and that and all that stuff. Now, I started improving my knowledge towards technology. So, learn to improve.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So putting into practice.
Yeah, at
whatever
least
we
I
learn.
can meet the people, I can connect the people, and I can forward so many things. And I'm using my technology here for reaching the people through my inner voices. Thanks to technology to that extent.
Yes, ma'am.
And being together, making ourselves to be together. I don't want to be I am social being 100%. And every time, anytime, I just make the group and try to be in a group.
Connected.
Connecting the people, connecting the family, connecting the friends, connecting the society, I simply love.
Yes,
So this
ma'am.
is, say I'm telling, I am sorry, because unless I know what is what, I cannot authentically say life skill is very important.
Yes, ma'am. I know I have one small example of yours, ma'am, that how you got connected even during pandemic lockdown. You got connected with all your relatives with the Zoom application. That I have to point
Yeah,
here. So that is how you got connected with your people. We couldn't go out and meet people, but you made it sure that you can meet people with the technology.
Yeah.
I thank technology. I thank you also, ma'am.
No, I just, I connected my family.
Yes, ma'am.
See, they were telling it was against the get together and all, against to the rules.
During
What
COVID.
I thought, at least 25 people at a time. So I can easily make. Here I have the same place we have get together during December. November last year. And that's the same time we traveled also one or two places. And I don't want to miss the opportunity of the marriages. Of course, they had their own problems because I am 60 plus and nobody wanted to take the risk. But I told that I will take care of myself and I've attended the marriage. Wherever is necessary, I'll try to do. So that is also coordination. learning to learn, put the things in practical, know your own self, improving our own self, being together and coordinating. All these are all the first step, learning life skill.